okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, Kuya Mon. It's okay, anak. It's okay, it's okay. Kunti na lang. Yay! Tatlo na lang, nak. Tatlo na lang, Kuya Mon. Tatlo na lang. Yay! Ay, guys, mauubos na niya. Finally, he can finish it. Finally. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. We have to do this, okay? It's okay, anak. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Ah, yay. No, it's okay. Last two. Yay, last two, anak, last two. Kuya Mon. Okay, very good. Good boy naman si Kuya Mon, oh. Up. Last na, okay? Water na. Yay! Water na kami, water na kami. Water na, ang baby kong pogi. Water na po. Water na, anak, water. Water na lang yan, water, okay? Okay, yay! 5 water na lang. Water na lang kami. 5 water. 5 water na lang. Gagaling na yan. Si Kuya Moni. Nakagat ako ng lamok. Oh, yay! Kuya Mon. Galing-galing naman ng baby ko. Oh, bait-bait. Naubos yung mamam. Oh, okay. Water na lang, anak. Last two. Okay, last two. Okay. Last two. Naku, bait-bait naman talaga. Oh. Yay! Okay. Last two. Okay, so last. Last, water. Last na, anak, last na. Last na, water. Okay. Last na talaga, last na. Water boy. Water boy. Okay, thank you. Tapos na po. Thank you, Pogi. Diba, guys? Buwis buhay talaga kami. Pagkaganitong may sakit sila. Okay, come on. Kailangan siyang ganyanin para hindi siya He's stubborn. He's scratching me and it's very pain. Yeah? It's okay, anak. It's okay. We're done. Come on. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Mm. Mm. Diyan ka lang, okay? Kuya Mon. Kuya Mon. Papagaling ka, ha? Kawawa naman ang baby ko. Kawawa naman si Kuya Moy Moy. Kuya Moy Moy. Laban, anak, okay? Mahirap lang yung sitwasyon natin, pero laban tayo, anak, ha? Diyan ka lang. Sige, baka mahulog ka dyan, ha? Super, guys. Yung mata niya kasi, oh. Laban ka na, ha? I love you. I love you. I love you, Kuya Moy Moy.